Good morning, Safir. We are going to pick up a German tourist today at 10 o'clock. Please say something.
Right. Let me introduce myself. My name is MUSAFIR. Today, I have to accompany two tourists from Germany. I'm very happy because I can tell every single history about Aceh, culinary, food, touring Banda Aceh, very tall, awesome, beautiful. After tsunami system, several things at the time, people know Aceh. After tsunami, a lot of people know Aceh. So, I'm Banda Aceh, so I can tell every single history.
Excellent. Thank you.
For country are creek. Okay. Yeah, creek. Bisa juga nih. Apa juga? Habis nih juga.
Until 9, worry about lesson. Alright, and then this is my boss. My boss can speak German. But I didn't learn German because at that time I forgot a lot of vocabulary about German at that time. 2004 at the time, but I was learning German. Ich heiße MUSAFIR. Ich heiße Inggris. Alright, please over here. Alright, this is the first Masjid Raya Pertama Mosque. This is established and built from Aceh Kingdom at the time 1620 at the time when Netherlands attacked Aceh March 26 in 1873. They burned this mosque.
Netherlands did burn it down.
Yeah. When April 10 in 1873. After that, they built again. When September 29 in 1878 over there. This
Aceh merupakan kekuatan bagi keluarga besar Republik Indonesia. Aceh yang memiliki sejarah gemilang ratusan tahun, sejarah penuh dengan kejuangan, penuh dengan kepahlawanan, penuh dengan kegigihan, tidak mau dijajah oleh bangsa lain. Ini adalah kekuatan untuk kita, rakyat Aceh yang pertama mengumpulkan uang, emas, kekayaan rakyatnya untuk membeli pesawat pertama milik Republik Indonesia.